Good day, everyone. Happy to say that our YouTube channel has now a subscription button. What do you get when you subscribe on my YouTube channel? Our subscription button has two levels. The first level is only 159 pesos monthly and you will get access to loyalty badges, emojis, polls especially for members, and early access to newly uploaded video tutorials. The second level is only 599 pesos monthly and you will get access to loyalty badges, emojis, poll especially for members, early access to newly uploaded videos. You will also get a free access on my Google Drive, which includes photo booth software, the DSLR booth version 6 and version 7, photo booth templates part 1 and part 2, also the Adobe Photoshop, the latest version, Photoshop 2026. Additional benefits of being a member, you will also get access to Secrets of Photo Booth tutorial. These topics are only available for those members who are in level 2, and here are some topics that you will learn. Mirror tutorial, post-processing tutorial, DSLR booth QR integration tutorial, how will you activate the third-party apps using your DSLR booth apps, how to save your photos or your event photos in your Google Drive directly, and many more. So please like and subscribe our channel for more video tutorials. Thank you for watching!